In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn to your Gmail signature. This is a simple way to make your email signature look more professional and give people an easy path to connect with you online. We'll be doing everything directly inside Gmail, and the process only takes a few minutes once you know where to click. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your emails because that's where we'll access the settings for your signature. Next, look to the top right corner of Gmail and click the settings icon. This opens the quick settings panel, but for signature editing, we need the full settings menu. From there, click see all settings. This will take you to Gmail's complete settings page where you can customize things like your layout, reply behavior, and of course, your email signature. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the signature section. Depending on your screen size, this may take a little scrolling, so just keep going until you see the area specifically labeled for signatures. When you find it, click Create New. Gmail will ask you to name your signature. This name is just for internal organization, so you can choose something simple and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more than one signature later. Enter your signature name, then click Create. After that, Gmail will generate a new signature box where you can start building the signature itself. Now it's time to add your LinkedIn image. Click the image icon in the signature editor and upload your LinkedIn picture. This is usually a LinkedIn logo or icon that will act as the clickable visual inside your signature. Using a clean, small image tends to work best so the signature stays neat and professional. After the image is added, click the link icon and paste in your LinkedIn profile link. This step is what makes the image clickable. So when someone clicks the LinkedIn icon in your signature, they'll be taken directly to your profile. Double check that the link is correct before moving on, since even a small mistake can send people to the wrong page. Then click Apply to attach the link to the image. Once that's done, your LinkedIn image is now part of your Gmail signature. If you want the best result, make sure the icon is aligned nicely and doesn't appear too large compared to the rest of your signature content. And that's it. You've successfully added LinkedIn to your Gmail signature, making it easier for your contacts to find and connect with you professionally.